If you're interested in seeing these zillion braids, stay tuned. Hello, my lovely YouTube family. I hope everyone has been doing great. I know it's been a minute and I'm not really consistent with posting right now, but like I said, my work life is taking full effect. So as you see, I did these zillion braids, these million braids, these micro braids, these tiny braids, whatever you want to call them. I use Kema Ocean Wave. I have 3 different colors in my hair. I have number 4 because they of course only had 1 bag of number 2, so that's why I did that. And then I had this extra bag laying around, which is Slate. And I have some that's 14 inches for the layered part. And I also had to fix some to be layered. You'll see that later on. So if you want to see how I created this look that I'm going to be wearing all summer, because I don't want to comb my hair, this whole style took a span of 2 days, which is equivalent to about 8 hours if I was to have just set and braided without taking any breaks or anything. So if you want to do this style, definitely set aside some time. And these are not even braided all the way down. So once again, if you want to see how I did this, it's going to be coming up here in the next clip, and the hair and all of that will be shown as well. And you know what to do. If you have any questions, hit up that description box or the comment box below. And that is Zion, of course, in the background. She is very loud. She's always loud. But what could I do? She's 4. She don't know. So let me know what you guys think down there in the comments as well. And if this is a style that you will wear, and if you will rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, what would that be? Oh, and I forgot. My hair is very thin for the new viewers and subscribers. So it's not hair loss or anything like that. My hair is just naturally thin, and it's most thinner in the front, more dense in the back. So I'm going to do them very tiny in the front, and then towards the back you will see a little bit of a difference because I have more volume back there. So, and I'm going to show these different techniques as I showed there. So whichever may work for you, go for it. All right. See you guys at the end. Peace. hope you can see. Some of my parts look, they're kind of gappy and large in the back, and more smaller in the front where the hair thins out. It's a little bit more. Try to sit up a little bit so you can see the how. This is it. I like it. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it thus far. And I did braid a few of them all the way down so it won't be as full. There's one. And I may do a few more. See how that one is? So I'm going to just take that one and just braid it all the way down like so. Hopefully I get to wear these for a while because I do not want to do any crochets right now and I don't want to comb my hair. I'm very close to buzzing it. I'm very close to buzzing my hair off. I have cut literally about this much off, so my hair is, remember I cut it back in May of last year accidentally. It grew back, so like right there, bull crappy not. But it grew back so fast. The aloe vera and the rice water is life. So if you're not using that, definitely jump on it. I'm doing a total 360 of my life right now with quite a bit of things, finances being number one. I have gotten heavily into stocks lately, so that's where all of my focus has been. That's what I've been doing for the last few months. It's just researching stocks, stock options, and indexes, and REITs. You know, YouTube is fun, but it ain't no money if you ain't in algorithms. So yeah, it's just a hobby. I would truly like to make more money so I can get out of debt. I want to pay my house off. I want to pay all the debt off that I have and just be debt free. Because I'm focusing on FIRE, financial independence, retire early. Our Rich Journey on here talks a lot about it. Definitely watch them. Subscribe if you want to see more.